Hi, my name's TJ from Casey's Cove Marina. We're located on Crooked Lake, family-owned business. We've been here since 1991. We've got apparel for mostly Crooked Lake, although we do stock a lot of t-shirts for Lake James, Jimerson Lake, Snow Lake, and Lake Gage. Feel free to come in. We get new stock all the time, and custom orders are available as well. We rent paddleboards out by the hour, the day, the week, however you want it. Or you can come into our little accessory store here when you come to fill up. Return customers, they like that we're a small operation and we're family owned. And we've made a big push at performance pontoons now. We're seeing pontoon speeds north of 50 miles an hour. And we're getting people the opportunity to get on the water for as best of a deal as we can. Our address, 35 Lane 345 Crooked Lake, Angola, Indiana. And our website is www.caseyscovemarina.com. You can check us out on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram as well.